In today's video, we are going to learn how to prepare the molar or normal solution of an acid from the pure acid bottle that we have in our laboratory. For example, you can see this is HCl, so which is 37% pure, okay, and the other informations you can get from the material safety data sheet or safety data sheet available online or available with the catalog of the material then when you purchase from the company. Okay, now for example, this is the 37.7% pure acid. So in that case, first of all, we have to calculate the molarity of the acid, okay, whether this is the sulfuric acid, nitric acid. So we must know the purity of the acid. So this acid is around 37.7% pure, and the density here you can see is 1.19 gram per ml. So first of all, we will calculate the mass of the solution. So you can see here this mass of the solution is equal to 1000 ml of the solution into 1.19 gram, which is the density. So this is the solution is 1190 gram of the solution. Now the second step will be the mass of the HCl. So the mass of the HCl is nothing but the mass of the solution into the purity of the acid upon the 100 gram of the solution, which is equal to 448.6 gram. Now the moles of the HCl is equal to the mass of the HCl into the 1 molarity upon the mass of the HCl. Okay, mass of the HCl, which is 36.4 grams, so which is equal to 2.3 moles. Okay, so in the case of HCl, which is releasing the same amount of protons or same amount of the which is releasing only the same amount of protons, so which is H plus, so it will have same number of molarity or same number of normality, which is not equal in the case of H2SO4 or other acids or phosphoric acid. Okay, in that case the molarity and normality will change. So here the molarity is equal to moles of the HCl, which is the final step. You can see here upon the 1 liter of solution, which is equal to 12.3 moles per liter. So the molarity of the acid which is available in the bottle here is 12.30 moles per liter. Suppose if you want to calculate the make you saw the molarity was 12.30, and if you want to prepare the one normal from, or you can say, let's suppose we want to prepare 6, okay, 6 molar of the hydrochloric acid from the main stock which is present in the bottle. So in that case we will use the same equation which is called the concept of serial dilution. C1V1 is equal to C2V2. So this is the main stock molarity, so is equal to, okay, similarly if we want to make, so in the first case it was, and we have to take 48.78 of the main stock, and if you want to make one normal in 100 ml, so in that case you have to take 8 ml. Okay, and also there is one more formula if you want to find out the molarity. Okay, so in that case you have to know the gram weight of the reagent into 100 ml into 10 upon the formula weight. So this is a standard formula. You can use this formula also, or you can go this way step by step. Okay, and then you can find the molarity or the normality. Now let us prepare the lower molar solution from the main stock. Since we are adding the acid, so I am going to prepare in the first one 1 molar and 6 molar. Okay, so I'll add certain amount of water. Okay, this is a good practice. I mean, when you add water, when you are preparing the acid solutions, lower dilutions, okay, so in that case what you have to do, first of all add water then acid. Don't add water to the, you cannot add the water to the direct bottles here. Okay, so this was 40 ml. I will add same amount of the water here. Now the total water volume is 100 ml. Okay, I would be adding 8.13 and the other one 48.78. So in this case we have to use the micro pipette. So because this is 8 ml plus 0.13 ml, so this is around 130 Okay, another 130 microliters, or okay, whatever it is, will be using the graduated cylinder plus the micropipette. Okay, this is around 8 ml. Okay, so I will add 8 ml to the first one. This is around 8.13, and similarly we have 48.78, so let's add 48 ml here in the second one, 8 ml here. Now in the second case, which is 780 microliters, so you can see here, so I'm going to add using the micropipette. Okay, get out this one. Okay, now in the second one, which is 130 microliters. Now the first one we have 130. Okay, now this was all about the preparation of the lower dilution from the main stock. So we have other acid, you can apply the same concept, same formula to prepare your lower stock. So now suppose you have these stocks. Okay, this is 6, this is 1, so you can, if you want to go from 6 to 2, 3, so you can use this as stock, or if you want to go from 1 to 0.1, 0.01, so you can use this main stock. Okay, so you have to be very clear about the serial dilation concept. Okay, and also we need to homogenize the solution. You can add a bead and shake it, okay, for a few minutes, so that the solution is homogenized. This is not homogenized right now. Okay, and if you want to prepare, go from the, this is suppose 70% pure acid, and you want to go to 50%, 70, I mean 30%, so there is another concept of that. So we'll be talking about those concepts in our next consecutive videos. So this follows about how to prepare the lower, okay, stocks from the main stock.